Hi students, Unit 1, Relations and Functions. First, you must know about sets. A set is a collection of well-defined distinguishable objects. That is, if you take the set of vowels in the English alphabets, this is one of the example for set. Next, sets have two forms. One is relations, another one functions. This we say afterwards. Cartesian product. Let us consider two sets. Capital A is equal to I, J, K. Capital B is equal to small a, B, C. Cartesian product means you have to find A cross B. You have to write, take the first element from the A set, that is I with, you have to mix all the elements with B, that is I, comma A, I, comma B, I, comma C. That is, you have to write in ordered pair. I, comma A, I, comma B, I, comma C. Next, you take the second element in the A set and combine with all the elements in the B. That is, J, comma A, J, comma B, J, comma C. Third element, K, comma A, K, comma B, K, comma C. This is the Cartesian product of two sets. Now you can see the definition. If capital A and capital B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs, small a, comma B, such that A belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B, is called the Cartesian product of capital A and capital B and is denoted by A cross B. Thus, capital A cross B is equal to ordered pair A, comma B, such that A belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital B. Once again, one more example. If you take set A is equal to 1, 2 and the set B is equal to 4 and 5, the Cartesian product of A cross B is equal to, from the definition, A belongs to A, B belongs to B. That is, 1 belongs to A, 4 belongs to B. Therefore, take the first element 1, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. That is, 1 belongs to A, 4 belongs to B. 1 belongs to A, 5 belongs to B. Next, you take the second element from the A set, that is 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5. That's all. Now see this example. If capital A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and capital B is equal to 2, 3, then find A cross B and B cross A. First, always you must write the given. What are the given? Capital A is equal to 1, 3, 5. Capital B is equal to 2, 3. Listen, find A cross B. Therefore, A cross B is equal to, from the first element of A, that is, you have to order the pair 1 comma 2, 1, comma 3. Next 3, comma 2, 3, comma 3. Next 5, comma 2, 5, comma 3. Then complete the bracket. Then next one more thing, that is B cross A. First you have to take the set capital B. Next only you have to write the A. A is 2, comma 3. A is 1, comma 3, comma 5. Now you find the Cartesian product of B cross A. First element 2, 2, comma 1, 2, comma 3, 2, comma 5. 2, comma 1, 2, comma 3, 2, comma 5. Next take the second element 3, comma 1, 3, comma 3, 3, comma 5. Now see the second question. Second question is yes, that is yes or no question. A cross B is equal to B cross A. See the elements A cross B have ordered pair 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3. Here 2, comma 1. See here 1, comma 2 and 2, comma 1 is not same. If you have a doubt, you plot this point in the graph sheet. 1, comma 2 and 2, comma 1 is different. Therefore, these two are not equal. 1, comma 3 and 3, comma 1 is not equal. Therefore, A cross B and B cross A is not same. Therefore, your question is A cross B is equal to B cross A is? That is not true. Therefore, no, A cross B is not equal to B cross A. If not, why? Because all the ordered pairs in the A cross B is not same when we compare with B cross A. Okay, therefore you have to write these two elements which are present in A cross B and B cross B are not same. Third question, show that n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A equal to n of A equal to n of B. What is the meaning for n of A cross B? Number of elements present in A cross B. Okay. Therefore, you have to count from A cross B. That is, this is the first ordered pair. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, n of A cross B is equal to 6. You have to write like this. N of A cross B is equal to 6. Next line, find the number of elements in B cross A. That is, n of B cross A is equal to, count the elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 6. Then, next you have to count n of A. N of A means how many elements in A? Set A. That is 1, 2, 3. Therefore, n of A is equal to 3. Next, n of B. Count the elements in B set. That is only 2. Therefore, n of B is equal to 2. Once again, see the question. N of A cross B is equal to N of B cross A is equal to N of A into N of B. N of A is equal to 6, N of B cross A is equal to 6, N of A is equal to 3, N of B is equal to 2. Here you have to multiply N of A into N of B. Therefore, N of A into N of B is equal to 3 into 2, that is also 6. Now, check here, N of A cross B is equal to 6, N of B cross A is equal to 6, N of A into N of B is also 6. Therefore, this 3 are same. Therefore, N of A cross B is equal to N of B cross A is equal to N of A into N of B is equal to 6. That's all. If A cross B is equal to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4. You have to find the value of A and B. First you write the given, that is A cross B is equal to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4. You have to find the elements of A and B. See here given as A cross B. Therefore, all the first elements belongs to capital A. All the second elements belongs to capital B. Now you can write the answer immediately. Capital A is equal to, what are the elements in the first position, first coordinate? 3, 3, 5, 5. Therefore, what are the answers? 3 and 5. Then, what are the elements for B? Here 2, 4, 2, 4. Therefore, 2 and 4. That's all. Let capital A is equal to X belongs to capital N. N means natural numbers. Such that 1 less than X less than 4. Capital B is equal to X belongs to capital W, that is whole numbers, such that 0 less than or equal to X less than 2. And capital C is equal to X belongs to N such that X less than 3. You have to verify these two conditions. First write the given. Capital A is equal to Can you guess the answer? A is equal to small s belongs to capital N such that 1 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 4. Therefore, the values for X is 2 and 3. Because 1 less than, therefore 1 is not included. After the 1 you have to see the next number is 2, 3, 4 is also not included. Therefore, the value of A is 2 and 3. Then, B is equal to, the value of X starts from 0 because less than or equal to, therefore 0 included. Therefore, the value starts from 0. 0, 1, 2 is not included. Therefore, the value is 0 and 1. Now, the value for C is natural numbers less than 3. Natural number means starts from 1. Here less than 3 means 3 is not included. Therefore, 1 and 2. Therefore, the value is not included. Now, take the first question. A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. First take the left hand side, that is left hand side is A cross B union C. First find the value of B union C, because B union C is inside the bracket. Okay. What is the meaning for B union C? You have to see the set B and C and you have to combine all the elements. Union means you have to combine all the elements. Therefore 0, 1, 1, 2. Therefore you have to write 1. Therefore 0, 1, 2 is the answer. 0, 1, 2. Now combine with A. That is A cross B union C. What is the value for A? 2 and 3. You have to find the Cartesian product. Therefore 2, 3 cross the value of B union C is 0, 1, 2. Now you have to take the first element, that is 2, and write with 0, 1, 2. Therefore 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Next take the second element, that is 3, 3, 0, 3, 1 and 3, 2. Take this as equation 1. Now write the right hand side, that is A cross B union A cross C. First find the value of A cross B, next A cross C, next combine with this two. That is A cross B. What are the elements for A? A is 2, 3, B is 0, 1. Can you guess the answer? Yes, 2, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1. Now find the value for A cross C. A is 2, 3. C is 1, 2. What are the answers? 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Now you have to find A cross B union A cross C. Once again, already I told you, union means you have to combine all the elements. Therefore, combine all this. Okay. That is 2, 0, 2, 1. Then check here 2, 1, 2, 2. 2, 1. Don't repeat the same element. Therefore, next one is 2, 2. Next 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. Take it as equation 2. Now check the equation 1 and 2. 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. Therefore, these two are same. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, we get the result A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. See the second part. A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay. First you have to find the value of left hand side, that is A cross B intersection C. Inside the bracket you have B intersection C, that you have find first. B intersection C is equal to Already we learned about union. Union means you have to combine all. Intersection means you have to choose the common elements. In this B you have 0, 1. In the C you have 1 and 2. What are the elements common? C, check here. Here 0, here not present. Here 1, here present. Therefore 1 only present in B and C. Therefore your answer is only 1. Union means you have to write all the elements which are present in the both sets. Intersection means you have to choose the common elements only. Now find A cross B intersection C. A is equal to 2, 3. Cross B intersection C is only 1. You have to find the Cartesian product. Therefore, 2, 1, 3, 1. 2, 1, 3, 1. Take it as equation 3. Now take the right hand side, that is A cross B intersection A cross C. First find this bracket, then next, then find R. That is A cross B is equal to A is 2, 3, B is 0, 1. You have to find the Cartesian product. Therefore, 2, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1. Now find the A cross C. A is 2, 3 and C is 1, 2. What are the answers? Yes, correct. 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Good. Now you have to find the intersection of these two. That is A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to, see, intersection means already I explained to you all, that is you have to write the common elements. 2, 0, check here, that is not present. 2, 1, yes, here and here present. 3, 0, not. 3, 1, yes. Therefore, what are the answers? 2, 1 and 3, 1. That's all. That is, take equation 4. Now check the equation 3 and 4. Both the elements are present. Therefore, from 3 and 4, we get A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. That's all. Students, try to do the exercise 1.1 first and second. Thank you, students.